Hey there, it's Miss Ruff again. I just wanted to show a video to explain how the homework will be done today. So students are still learning about the value of tens and ones. And one skill that's really important is that they can identify groups of 10. So there's different shapes and each one has a place value chart that the students can use. I'm going to use the hearts just as an example. So for these questions, you want the student to circle groups of 10. So they need to circle 10, and then I want them to check twice to make sure that they actually circle 10. So I'm going to count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to circle 10. And then I'm going to look for another 10. So the students should be counting 10 and circling their 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then they will write the total amount of 10s. How many 10s do I have? I have 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10s. And then the students need to see how many ones they have left over. If they have no ones left over, they would put a 0, but here they have 3 ones left over. And then they wrote the total amount, which is 43. And that's it for today. It's pretty easy. This will be a grade tomorrow. Let me know if you have any questions.